getting your name out there essentially is going to be the
Mhm.
most important part of exotics and wildlife.
Yeah, for
Yeah, I
sure.
agree. We don't have a lot of specific courses for wildlife. You kind of get it thrown in there with other courses. Like if they're doing like differential anatomy or whatever, they talk to you a lot about it, but they don't focus a lot on it. You have one or two lectures depending on like for the kidneys or for the sex organs, like everything will change because it's a reptile is different than a cow, but they don't spend a ton of time. I guess if you're interested in that, you would need to do, placements abroad, and I've done the same thing. I've been to South Africa already, and then I wanna go to Peru as well, actually, and I wanna go to South America. So, your for us, our 5th year is our placement year, so you're done classes and you're just spending, I think it's almost 12 months pretty much doing placement all around, and there's, like, requirements. You have to do 6 weeks with small animals and then large animals and emergency, but then for your EMS optional placements, you can literally go anywhere in the world. There's no obligation, it's totally up to you. So if you wanna do wildlife and you wanna do exotics, take advantage of knowing that in your 5th year, you have the opportunity to do that, so reach out to places earlier on because spots also fill up so incredibly fast because it's such a niche category. There aren't a lot of exotic vets or a lot of zoo vets, and a lot of people won't also give you opportunity because you're technically useless to them until you graduate. So it's kind of risky to be putting you with like endangered species or whatnot when there's already people who are 10 times more qualified who want to do that, lining up for the job. So just I think get your foot in the door wherever you live, even if you're like in Ontario, you want to work at the Toronto Zoo or the African Lion Safari or whatever, try to email them and see if you can get any kind of experience because once you start, it keeps the ball rolling. I think it's like getting your foot in the door that makes it the hardest.